Hey there everyone, this is Billy here back on the channel, and today I am bringing you guys a new RC update that I think a lot of you guys are going to be interested in. So this is the RC 2018 kit from Team Associated. So this is essentially a 28th scale racer. It's pretty much almost the same as sort of like a GLR type of build. That's honestly like the first thing I would compare it to is a GLR, but this is the Team Associated RC 28. So I'm not really like a huge expert on like the 28th scale stuff, but I am super into it because I do have a super stock car. So here it is with all of the setup installed. It looks pretty nice. The only thing that I'm not a huge fan of is the appearance of what to me looks like a rubber band. I'm not a big fan because I remember I had those in my 22 and I just didn't really like them that much. Even though they kept the battery in, it was still like, that might wear over time. But overall, it looks like a really clean on-road 28th scale type of build. It even has like the Kyosho, like Mini Z, like tires on the back, like the stuff like on my stock touring. Here's an underside view of the chassis. It looks pretty good, looks pretty balanced. I really want to know how this handles. I really want to try this thing so bad, just all the pictures of it. Here it is with the body. A lot of people, well, I've only really seen one comment on Facebook saying that this was like a hideous looking body, but I think it actually looks kind of cool if you do the right colors and the right pattern, of course. I mean, I don't think it's the worst looking thing ever, but let me know what you guys think. I'd really be curious. Here it is from the back. It's got some what is it called? The like Ford GT kind of brakes, like brake lights. And it looks really smooth, like a McLaren almost, or like a Ferrari or something like that. But those are all of the photos. It's coming in at $250 on their website, and comparing that to the GLR, it is coming in at $229. So it's a little bit more expensive, but I honestly, like, I feel like I would have to try one of these in person before like I sell off my GLR and get one of these, because I definitely want to try to get my hands on one of these, because I don't know, I feel like it would handle great at Houston RC. So taking a look at the video, here's some running footage of it on the track. Well, let's find some better footage of it. This guy's using a stick radio. From what I can gather on these videos, it looks like it's going to be a pretty quick little car. I'm honestly also curious to know if it could fit the Joe Mama bodies on it, because if it did that, I feel like this thing would be absolutely perfect. But yeah, that's all I really wanted to show you guys today. I really wanted to get your thoughts on the RC 2018 kit because I personally am super excited for this thing. It looks like it's going to be available immediately, so there's not going to be any pre-order type stuff like with the tracks and stuff, you know. But yeah, I feel like if I can at least like try one, and if it handles better than the GLR that I currently have, then I might actually consider selling that off and saving a bit of money to get an RC28. But who knows? Have you guys tried the RC28 yet? Let me know in the comments if you have. Let me know your thoughts about this thing in the comments, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.